Hello everyone. This is the short demo video of Have You Been Here 2.0 to show the current progress of what's already been done. This is for week 1 and 2, just in case people are viewing this later. So right now we're on the homepage, which is just showing some lorem ipsum fake feed. The idea is, of course, that this will in time become a real feed with real posts that are on Have You Been Here. They will also, maybe not yet relevant, but I'll share it anyways. So there will be two posts, like two feeds, sorry. One feed of the people that you're following, and then one feed that help you just discover new content. So let's jump right into it. So what I've finished working on right now is creating waypoints, and I'm also already started on creating posts. So as you see here at the bottom, you have a little plus icon. Once you tap that, you'll see that you have three options: either create a waypoint, a post, or a trip. So a waypoint is a person's experience at a certain place, and is basically from where all the content in Have You Been Here is made. So you can create a post with different waypoints in it. You can create a trip where waypoints are linked together on a map, and so on and so on and so on. But let's get started with waypoints. So one of the reasons, by the way, that I decided to put this in between screen there is because there was quite a lot of confusion in Have You Been Here 1, like what the different things actually do, like what is a waypoint, what is a post, and what is a trip. And I hope that that like screen clarifies that for end users. So the first thing you do when you want to create a waypoint is select images. So if you hit select media, you will jump right into your file picker, and you are able to select places. So let's say, for example, I want to add these images to because it's from the same place, and I want to add them to my waypoint. I hit that, hit select, and we're good to go. Now let's actually, I want to have them in a different order. You can just drag them around. This is also already working. And what happens basically, when you hit next, these images already start uploading even before you actually create a waypoint. So it's actually a little trick I sort of stole from Instagram, I guess. It's what they do as well, and that way it feels like everything is super smooth and the whole creation process is way faster, right? Because what takes most time is the image upload. Of course, when a user goes back or cancels a creation, the image upload is cancelled as well, and the images that are already uploaded are deleted automatically. And this is all already done and functioning. So let's say I hit next here. Now I'm able to select the place. So as you see, I get quite a few suggestions, and the way we are able to offer these suggestions is by looking in the metadata that's in your image. So if there is location metadata, we send that to a Foursquare API, and then the Foursquare API returns us this list. So in this case, actually, this is the place, but I first, before I select that place, want to show you something else. So let's say, okay, like I don't find my place in this list, and my place is called this. Of course, it's not really, but just go along with it. Then a little option will show that says couldn't find the place. Tap here, and once you tap it, you're redirected to a map. And as you can tell, you can't tell, but I can tell, this is actually the exact location where this image was taken. But let's say it was actually not here, but like right here. And there is no place name for this. That's perfectly fine. You can still do that. Hit next, and you'll be able to give it a place name, like right here. You can say what this place was. But actually, so now let's just go back to the previous option, because we can find the place. So let me just remove all of that. And you see it's still selected because I selected previously. And now if we hit next, it's the same screen, but the name is already filled in. And you can type about your experience. So let's say it was amazing. Of course, we hope to get a bit more descriptive in the future, but it's just to show you guys real quick now. And then you also see that there are some tags, and these tags are also actually automatically populated to a certain degree. So based on Foursquare's categories, we can already pre-fill some of these tags, and of course you can still add your own. So let's say, for example, there was some nature there as well, right? So now you have trail and nature. Then you can also give a rating to a place, and there's like a little fun text with an emoji just to make it more clear and more fun to do so. And then you can change the date of visit. Again, this date of visit is already picked from the metadata in your images. So that's the really cool thing about Have You Been Here and working like with the waypoint system, is that a lot of the data is already there, so you don't really need to manually input any of that, right? I think this is like the main thing. You can really quickly create a waypoint the moment you're at a place and bam, be done with it. So let's say this is the waypoint I want to create. I hit done, and the waypoint is immediately created. So in case the images would still be uploading, which now isn't the case because we started the upload before, and it's already done, there would be like a little like bar showing here, showing your current process of the waypoint upload. So then the next thing I want to show you is the work I've been doing so far on making posts. So as you can see here, the second option is post. So let's say we want to make a post. We hit that. So the first thing you do when creating a post is selecting the waypoints that you want in that post. So also, by the way, here you see that images load quite fast and quite smoothly. I really put a lot of effort on the image handling side of things. So there is a CDN running in front of it that lets me basically manipulate images on the fly. So if I need them smaller, I can immediately get a smaller image. It's then cached on the CDN. So that way you and other users, the second time you view it, really can basically view images instantly. As you can tell, for example, here I can keep scrolling and the images are just instantly there. So let's say, it was this place. These are the two places, the two waypoints I want to add to the point. I select them both. And you will see here at the top, it also has a little like counter that says how many you selected. If I remove one, it will say one. If I select two, then it will say two waypoints selected, and so on. Then here at the bottom now it says no more waypoints found because I've only created 4 test waypoints so far, but this will be an infinite scrolling list with pagination, which again makes it really fast and really smooth to use, which is the whole focus of Have You Been Here too. So you hit next, you can give your post a title, let's just type title. You can write an intro for your post, so let's just say intro for now. And now you can decide whether you want to post this post to the Hive blockchain or not. I assume most people watching this will do so. So you just hit the little, how do you call that actually? This little, toggle, that's what I was looking for. You hit the little toggle and bam, you're ready. And now once you hit post, it will be posted to the Hive blockchain. This functionality of actually creating the post is not done yet. So that's what I'll be working on and hopefully be able to finish this week. So basically creating the post both in the Have You Been Here database and the option to immediately cross-post it to Hive. And I think that basically concludes the work I've been doing in the last 2 weeks on Have You Been Here. If anybody has any questions, like always, just hit me up. I'm always ready to answer. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this little demo, and I look forward to sharing the next one already.